Alright, hi everyone. I realise it's been a long time, years, since I made an example solves video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two. So the first one is going to be 8 colour neutral solves, and then in a few days I'll release the 8 white cross example solves. So here is 8 colour neutral example solves. Alright, so first thing I obviously look for is what colour cross I'm going to do. So here, there's not very much on offer at all here. So the best I could do is probably red. So how I would do that with these edges is like this. I'll probably do it on top just to give you like a better idea of how I do it. So like that. And then these two go in like that. Also notice that when I do an R prime, this edge will be in its slot, and I've got the corresponding corner here. So I can just do keyhole, insert that corner, and then when I do a D2, this pair will be solved. So if that was a bit confusing, don't worry too much, that's about as complicated as it's going to get. So the next pair I do is these two. Then I would probably do the pair at the back, these two, and obviously that's a lot of moves, but I do them really quickly like this because it's really easy to execute. And then the last two I would do like this, and then OLL, just standard OLL, and then PLL, just JPERM. Alright, so this next one looks a bit easier, and it is quite easy. So orange cross, we've got this pair, these two edges already in place, and then these two edges. So just to get the pair out of the way of the bottom layer, I'll put it up there, and then just solve the cross like this, R prime D2, R prime D2. And then we can go straight into this first pair. And I also noticed that when I do the first pair, this pair will be really easy to solve as the second pair as well. So let's just split those up like that. Then I will do the back pair, because if I do it like this, that will pair up these two, and then I can insert them into the back there. Standard OLL, and then normal JPERM. Alright. And this scramble looks easy. And to be fair, it's probably easier than most scrambles, but it's not as easy as it looks in terms of, doing the first pair afterwards. So what I would do, I've got these red ones, so I'll just do cross like that. And then this first pair, I would do these two. And as I did that, I noticed that this corner came into the top layer, so I would do those two next. Then these two. And then, so that I can orient all the edges, I would do the last pair like that. Take that out there. And then I would do it like that. So then I've got a soon, and I notice also that when I do the soon, I will have all the corners permuted because it's just a pure soon, like that, and then I've just got a UPEM. Alright, next one. Alright. So it looks nice, and it is. So I would do it, hold on, let me think. I would do it something like this. So I've got these two edges, this block here, and I've also got this block here, but I won't worry about that one. This edge here, and the corresponding edge for this corner is here. So if I do it like this, L prime, R, U, L, U, R, U. So what that does, that gives me the extended cross. So if that confuses you, just sort of replay the video and try and watch it a few times and see like exactly what moves influence the pieces, and exactly how I got that edge to be there. So then I'll do the next pair in the back. This pair. Actually, well, I wouldn't do this in a speed solve, but this is how I would do it if I was going, low move count or something. So I'd go like that. I'm sure there's a faster way. Like that, yeah. I can't undo that, but hopefully you got a sort of idea of what I did there. And then OLL, then PLL. This scramble really sucks. Really badly. I can do red again. So red actually sets up not too badly. So like this, we've got these 4 edges and this one here. So I can go there, 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 down, and there. So first pair I've got is these 2. Insert them in a standard way. This pair, these 2, then these 2. OLL and PLL. Very straightforward solve there. Alright, so I do blue cross for this one. So I do like this. U2, F2, R2, and then this last pair I can just go like that to put it in. And during that I notice these 2 first, so I do them. And I noticed these 2, so I'd probably do them next. Then I noticed these 2. Then these 2. Dot OLL, which I don't like to do. And then an F perm. A Y perm, sorry. Next one. Alright, I would do red again. So I've got these 2 here and this one here. So, and this pair here as well. So to get this out of the D layer, I would do M prime like that, and then just simply finish the cross off by doing R prime D2 R. So first pair is these 2, then these 2, then these 2, and these last 2. I can do OLL CP here. So in this case, because I have these 2 greens, I would do it like this. So anti-soon, and then just F, U, R prime, E prime, F prime, and then I've got a U perm. Alright, here is the last one. I would do green. So I've got, cross edges there, 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 and there. So I would solve it like this. D2, R prime, F, and I notice these 2 first, then R2, D. Even though I noticed these 2 also came up, so I'd probably do them first, considering that, it's a solved pair. Then I would do these 2. Then I would solve these 2. And then lastly, these 2. This is sort of like a VLS case, so we can go, instead of just inserting, we can go R, B, U prime, B prime, R prime. Because we have this block here, that's how you recognize it. So R, B, U prime, B prime, R prime. And then just do your PLL, and then you're done. Alright, so hope that was good, and I will upload the white cross video in a few days. Cool.